This video tutorial I will cover two methods of duration class. Here I have defined the class duration demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created duration object. Then I am calling 2days method of duration object. This method returns number of days in the duration. Duration is 48 hours. 2 days is equal to 48 hours. So we will get 2. Then I am calling 2 hours method of duration object. This method returns number of hours in the duration. Then I am calling 2 minutes method of duration object. This method returns number of minutes in the duration. Then I am calling 2 milliseconds method of duration object. This method returns total length of the duration in milliseconds. Then I am calling 2 nanoseconds method of duration object. This method returns the total length of the duration in nanoseconds.